a great choice today with the 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, climate control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.